In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your birthday on LinkedIn. It's a straightforward process, but I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can easily manage your privacy settings on this professional platform. First and foremost, let's start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your home page or dashboard. This is your central hub where everything begins. Now, to access your profile settings, look towards the top of the page and locate your profile icon, often referred to as the Me icon. It's usually represented by a small profile picture of yourself, if you've uploaded one. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. From the options presented in this menu, select View Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can make various edits and updates. Now, the next step is to locate the pencil icon, which allows you to edit your profile. This icon can be found sitting right next to your profile picture. Click on it to open up the editing interface. As you scroll down towards the bottom of this editing section, you'll come across Contact Info. It's time to click on the Edit Contact Info button, which will open up a window displaying various details related to your contact information. One of these details includes your birthday. Here, you'll clearly see who currently has access to this information. The options generally include only you, your connections, your network, or all LinkedIn members, which determines the visibility of your birthday. To maintain your privacy and keep this information to yourself, simply select Only You from the visibility options. Making this change ensures that your birthday remains private and not visible to others. Once you've made your selection, remember to click Save to ensure that your preferences are updated and reflected on your account. And there you have it. That's how you hide your birthday on LinkedIn. This simple adjustment can help keep your professional profile strictly professional and safeguard your personal information. It's always good practice to periodically review your privacy settings to make sure you're comfortable with who can see different aspects of your profile. Remember, maintaining control over your online presence is essential in today's digital world, especially on professional networks like LinkedIn. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.